Do you wonder when you should use these words see, look, watch? Since all three are verbs to do with vision, we are often in doubt about when to use each of these three words. Do we see a movie, look at it, or watch it? Today, I, Archana Kaile, from Good to Excellence, and your English language IELTS, TOEFL, and PT trainer bring you these three words: see, look, and watch in our series of Vocabulary Magic. Let's look at the meaning and use of each of these three and how to use them correctly. We will start with the word see. To see is to perceive something with our eyes. I see a man at the corner of the street. I can see a boat sailing close to the horizon. Can you see me? It is to notice someone or something using our eyes. Now let's check the forms of see. See, saw, have seen or has seen, and see. We will check the examples. I saw a tiger jump through a hoop at the circus last year. I have seen many places. Are you seeing things? Now what is this? It looks like a picture on a wall. Now, what did you just do? You turned your gaze on it, right? So, you looked at it. Let's check the usage of the word look. To look is to turn and focus onto something with your eyes. You pay attention when you look at something or someone. Look here. Look under the table. Look over your shoulder. Look over the building. Can you see the kite flying? Look has been used as an intransitive verb here, and that means no with no object. We use a preposition to show the direction of our gaze, over, under, etc. When there is an object, we use the preposition at. Look at the picture, look at me, look at the slides, look at your textbooks for a change. Now forms of look are look, looked, have or has looked, and looking. We have finished seeing and looking. Now it's time to watch. What do we watch? We fix our eyes on something for a period of time and watch something that moves or might move. We watch movies, a game, the news on TV, the children. Look at this example. We stood at a distance and watched the building being demolished. The building cannot move, so why do we use watch and not look? Because someone else can make the building collapse. There is movement, and it is an action that takes time. Understood? Okay. Now, the forms of watch are watch, watched, have or has watched, and watching. Here are some fun facts. I see or I see what you mean means to perceive, comprehend, or understand, seeing with the eyes of the mind. Look out! or watch out, words of warning. Look out, the tree is about to fall. We watch a movie at home, but we see it in the theater. We watch a football match on TV, but go to see the game at the stadium. We take a look or a watch, but not a see. Interesting, hmm? Now, test yourself. Pause your video and take a quiz. Could you complete the story? Great. Now to summarize, we notice something with our eyes. That means see. Then we pay attention. That means to look. After that, we observe it for a while to see if anything happens. That means watch. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please contact us for your doubts and learning needs. Like and share the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.